it's Emily with Great Garden Plants, and today we're in our display gardens to talk to you about some of our fall favorites. We're going to talk everything fall, from foliage to texture to fall flowers. So keep watching if you want to see some of our fall favorites that you can still plant in your garden right now. So when most gardeners think of fall color, they think of fiery reds, oranges, and yellows, but Chasta Tree is actually a nice break from those colors because it gives you nice, cool hues for the garden. And when planted in a cottage garden, it makes a beautiful background if you wanted to pair it with contrasting perennials or shrubs. This shrub is an absolute superstar in the fall because, as you can see, it still has these late blooms going on, and it'll actually bloom for around 16 weeks, which is insane and creates a huge appeal to pollinators in your garden. And what puts this shrub above all others in the landscape is that it's super durable, being deer resistant, drought tolerant, and heat tolerant, able to handle any temperatures your garden throws at it. Another landscape staple for fall foliage is Direvilla. This is a native shrub that is super versatile. A lot of landscape designers love utilizing this plant for its consistent foliage color. It'll stay the same color from spring through fall, and we offer a lot of different colors on our website, including green, orange, and red. So if you missed out on vivid fall foliage last year, then this year is going to be a great time to add Direvilla to your landscape because it's super versatile and able to grow in sun, part sun, and full shade. It is adaptable in multiple different soil conditions. And the fun thing about this shrub is it's not just a foliage plant, but it will get small yellow flowers in the summer that pollinators are absolutely glued to. If you're looking for the best of both worlds this fall, aka mixing texture and colorful fall flowers, then these two shrubs are your go-to. This is coralberry, and the texture on this shrub is absolutely amazing in the fall season. Its blue-green coin-shaped foliage adds to the round, bubbly texture that the berries add from late summer through fall. Starting in summer, it'll get these huge pink coral berries that create a nice pop of color in the landscape. On the other hand, if you're looking for fall flowers, then bluebeard is a great option. If you have bluebeard in your landscape, you can expect its stacks of donut-shaped blooms to attract pollinators all summer, all the way up until fall. Not only is it long blooming in the landscape, but it's extremely long lasting as a cut flower as well. So if you're into flower gardens or have a cut flower garden, then this adds a nice stacked texture to any arrangement. So this is one of our smaller varieties, which makes bluebeard a great option for small spaces. And if you live in a warmer gardening zone, then bluebeard is a great option for heat-tolerant fall color. And you don't have to worry about the blooms fading because once they begin to fade on the shrub, the fall foliage begins to take center stage and light up your fall landscape. Combine the fall texture of the coralberry with the fall blooms of the bluebeard, and you can create a beautiful late-season pairing. So both shrubs make fantastic companion plants with perennials if you already have those in your garden. Or if you don't and you're looking to create a cohesive fall landscape, try pairing them with some of our fall favorites like Japanese anemone, stonecrop, and featherweed grass. If you have hydrangeas planted in your fall landscape but they aren't quite giving you the vivid fall foliage that you want, then this native hydrangea is a fantastic option. This is an oak leaf hydrangea, and it starts off with lovely white summer blooms that transition to a deep pink red color. And then after the blooms have been spent, like you can see here, the fall foliage will transition to a vivid burgundy purple color, adding an amazing pop of contrast every fall to your landscape. So to provide the best color, oak leaf hydrangeas can actually be planted in full sun or part sun with some afternoon shade. And after the fall season starts to fade, some varieties of oak leaf hydrangeas will actually boast a nice cinnamon colored peeling bark. So that makes this hydrangea a great option for adding winter interest as well as fall interest. So if you're still looking to upgrade your fall garden before the season is over, go ahead and check out our blog or our website at greatgardenplants.com. And for more gardening ideas and tips, you can head over to our social medias and give us a follow at Great Garden Plants.